Welcome back to Auto Review, your go-to channel for the latest and most detailed car reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing new entries in the minivan and crossover segment, the 2025 Toyota X van. This futuristic family hauler is Toyota's bold attempt to redefine what a van can be, and after spending time with it, I can confidently say it's unlike anything else on the road right now. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Toyota X van breaks away from traditional minivan styling with a sleek, almost sci-fi inspired appearance. Up front, you're greeted by a sharply sculpted grille flanked by slim LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, giving it a modern, almost concept-like look. The bumper is aggressive with angular lines, and the hood has a slight bulge that adds a touch of muscularity. The side profile is where things get really interesting. Instead of the usual boxy van silhouette, the X van has a more aerodynamic, flowing roofline that tapers towards the rear. It rides on striking 19-inch alloy wheels that add to its sporty appeal. Sliding doors are seamlessly integrated, and the flush-mounted handles keep the body lines clean and futuristic. Around back, a full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, and the rear glass is sharply raked, completing the high-tech, modern look. Step inside, and the interior is just as futuristic as the exterior. Toyota has gone for a minimalist yet premium cabin design, with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting setting the mood. The dashboard is dominated by a large, floating 14-inch infotainment screen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. Below that, there are touch-sensitive controls and a sleek wireless charging pad. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, and there's a head-up display that projects key info onto the windshield. Seating is plush and spacious. The front seats are heated and ventilated with power adjustability and memory functions. The second row offers either captain's chairs or a bench seat, depending on the trim, and both configurations provide ample legroom and comfort. The third row, often an afterthought in many vans, is surprisingly roomy and easy to access thanks to wide sliding doors and a clever seat folding mechanism. Cargo space is generous, with over 100 cubic feet available when the rear seats are folded down, and multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin make this van extremely family-friendly. Performance-wise, the 2025 X van comes with two powertrain options. The base model is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 265 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth acceleration and solid highway passing power. For those seeking better fuel economy and lower emissions, there's a hybrid variant that pairs a 2.5-liter engine with Toyota's latest hybrid system, producing a combined 245 horsepower. The hybrid is especially impressive in the city, where its electric motor takes over during low-speed driving, keeping things whisper quiet. Both versions come with front-wheel drive as standard, but all-wheel drive is available as an option. The suspension setup is tuned more for comfort than sportiness, but handling is composed, and the ride quality is plush, even over rough roads. Toyota has also loaded the X van with driver assistance tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it one of the safest vans on the market. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Toyota X van starts at around $39,000 for the base trim, which comes well equipped with the standard turbo engine, digital displays, and Toyota Safety Sense suite. Step up to the mid-level trim at about $44,000, and you'll get additional features like a premium JBL audio system, a panoramic sunroof, and the upgraded second-row captain's chairs. The hybrid model starts at roughly $42,000 and tops out near $50,000 fully loaded with all-wheel drive, leather upholstery, and advanced tech like a rear seat entertainment system and a hands-free tailgate. While it's not the cheapest option in the segment, the X van justifies its price with a premium feel, cutting-edge tech, and Toyota's renowned reliability. To sum it up, the 2025 Toyota X van is a bold step forward for family transportation. With its futuristic styling, comfortable and tech-rich interior, refined performance, and competitive pricing, it stands out in a crowded segment. Whether you're hauling kids to school, heading out on a road trip, or just looking for a practical yet stylish ride, the X van deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Auto Review. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2025 Toyota X van, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next car review. See you in the next video.